Okay, you got Fast Freddy's new bike over here. This is a, what year is this from? 6, 8, 10?
It's an 08.
8.
08 Bill Blast with 1,880.
Oh, 1,800 miles on it. 1,800 miles, and you paid how much?
1,000.
How much?
1,000.
1,000. So you pay 50 cents a mile.
Yep.
There you go. That's how you buy a motorcycle.
It has a little bit of road, well, significant amount of road rash.
Evidently they fell down on each side twice.
Yeah.
We had to bend the foot peg brackets out already. It sat for a while because it didn't run very good when we first started it, so probably sat for a year or 3. So he has some special cosmetic modifications done to the vehicle.
Take stuff off to get the stuff off.
So we're working on the suspension because evidently this is made for girls and Fred's not a girl this week.
Not a snowflake either.
So we're doing a shock modification here. So this is the dirty, that ain't my bike. Why are you giving me that filthy shock? I thought this was a low mileage bike.
You're going to get the dirty shock and it's brand freaking new.
See, I got the special shock here.
He grabbed some crappy shock out back, made an adjustment of it.
Yeah.
He's going to dump that off on me.
So this is my shock off my bike, my extra shock from my bike that's low mileage.
Everything's low mileage.
Well, it looks better than yours.
I think that guy lied to me when I said, well, what's the mileage on it? I've had 50 or 60,000 miles. Like,
yeah, on this bike. Yeah, sure you did.
where did you run it to? Alaska and back?
So anyway, to get more tension on these springs, you have to move the compression height of the spring up a little bit. Because nobody makes anything for these bikes, I don't think. So these have a groove right here with a snap ring under here. So all you do is you take the shock apart, you put it in a lathe and you cut a new groove in it, and then you move it up to here, and now it's got more compression on it. So it looks like we moved it up about 3/4 of an inch maybe,
Yep.
or a half inch. Let me see, where's this? Oh, that's probably a half inch because it looks like the snap ring's right there under my fingernail. It's right there. So it looks like I moved it up about a half an inch. So we got a half inch more compression on that spring. So we're going to test that out and see if that's enough extra spring rate for Freddie.
My big butt.
Now he copied my buell over here, my race bike, and on my bike I have modified my shock more.
Once bike,
I raced this twice.
twice bike.
See, my spring is already coil bound, so I think I moved mine up about this far because my suspension's been modified extremely amounts. So now when you jump on it, it moves about a half an inch and doesn't move no more. So what are you doing under there? Sounds like you're doing a lot of
I
work.
want to get a hose out of the way.
There's a hose in the way.
More work.
So what's this pellet under the bike for?
It's just holding the bike up.
It is?
Yeah. Well, all right, just dump it over. I don't care.
Yeah, that's how you get the front wheel in the air. Look at that. See, that's a rack for getting the wheels in the air. Look at both wheels are in the air, right?
You don't leave it there. That's
Look
fine.
at that. Both wheels are in the air.
Don't move it. Please don't move it. I'm getting my hands in here.
Hang on, I've got the support bracket right here. I hear Scooby. There comes the boss. Boss is coming. What are you doing, Scooby? He's been out there eating all of Freddy's pizza up.
You better not eat my good pizza.
Well, there's one piece left he's trying to get to. Maybe he's all got his lips going right now, so he might have got that one off, that last
got
piece.
that damn thing off there. That's a friggin' expensive
He
damn
might have took that off the counter up there.
dog. I'll beat you, man.
See, some people would take a stool like that and put it underneath here, but no, we use our legs around here. Come here, Scooby. What are you doing? Come, get over here. Yeah. I can't. I'm petting the dog right now. There you go. What? You done?
No, I gotta.
What are you doing down there?
Here, move this bracket. Move this here.
Here, I gotta get this up here. I can't bend over that far over.
Push this down.
You make me work. Your phone's ringing.
No, it's just messages.
You know, the nut's on this side, Fred.
Yeah, I know that, and I'm trying to put an Allen wrench on this side.
Oh, okay.
Do you mind?
Yes. Okay, let me stop here. I got something over here. See, I've been told I'm supposed to use my tripod more, so. So Freddie's going over here break the bike over here for us. All right. You ready yet?
Turn it.
Oh, it's tight, Fred.
A little more. Yeah. Go crazy. Okay.
You want it?
Yeah, no. Once you get it loose, it's going to come off
I
like
guess
butter.
that big breaking noise with the nut coming loose.
Yeah, like the glue breaking.
Well, you got 15 extensions here to the one big one. That's Scooby.
I took everything out of our shit bag toolbox. Is that okay?
No. Take your nuts off.
We'll punch that thing.
Okay, I got a phone ringing.
Get the phone.
I gotta get a punch too.
Ain't no dang stinking punch.
Nope. Hello. Yep. I'll be busy all day. We can come by if you want. It'd be best to do it today, but the guy's coming down from LA tomorrow, so.
Keep going.
Okay.
One more. Thank you.
Okay, that's fine.
Shock is out.
I've got the charger for the Manberry too, so I got to put that on bill yet. Yeah, so I'll pay for that. Okay, yeah, let's see you tomorrow. No big deal. Okay, bye.
See where you're able to multitask. Remove the.
Remove. Ah. Before and after. See? Half-inch more compression. Girls, Fat Fred.
I think that personally. I
Good.
resemble that remark.
You resemble that, Mark? That's a good thing. We got more room in here. You got rid of that stupid ass battery.
I resemble it.
Still doesn't fit in there, Fred.
Yeah, it does. It just came out a few minutes ago.
Did it come out of this hole?
You sure you got it the right side up?
I don't know how to come out.
Dude, you just.
Is that backwards? Okay, it doesn't go in this way. It goes in upside down.
I don't think it really matters, but yeah.
I think it does because
Spring.
they didn't fit that way.
Spring down, not
Here.
spring up.
Where's the bolt?
There. Coming out
You
here.
have to do something.
Oh shit! What are you doing?
That stand didn't work very well. I'm gonna go the other direction now. Okay, that better? A little weight on the front end holds it up in the air for you.
Almost got it.
It's a tough job.
Got that done.
Where's the bolt? Is the bolt in there?
Oh, it's right here. Hang on.
It's right here. It's right there in front of you. Under your leg. Under the phone. Under the bike.
Could be in my pocket. Oh, it could be
In your
right
pocket. It's up there. That's a good place for it. I'd
Well,
put it
I'm
that.
up here now.
I'd put it in that hole over there. Oh, that's the top bolt?
Yeah.
The top bolt's down here.
That
That's the
doesn't-
bottom bolt.
No, I already put the bottom one in.
Oh, then put the top one in.
Well, pick it up some.
I am looking there.
No, pick it up. Push it back up.
Oh, you too high?
right there. Hang on. Right there.
We have
That's
adjustable height location
We're
here.
done.
This is adjustable. What's this bolt right here then?
it. That's the spare one. Remember, it came with a spare.
Oh, this is the bolt that came out of my shop.
No. Yes. No. That's the one that came out of your side.
Now, in case you don't know what yes, no means, that means he doesn't know what the fuck he's talking about. Oh, not supposed to say that. Oops. He's confused. He's frustrated.
Hand me the.
I can't. I'm the video guy. Jeez.
Well,
I can't do it.
you're working that side. I'm working this side.
Well,
So what are you gonna do?
I gotta
for
do
me?
both. I know I'm multitasking. I have a nut.
It's been a while. I'm
for-
a lot
you-
bolder than I was before.
You forgot how I work around here, huh? Okay, that's good. Okay, I got the punch and the hammer and the tool. Which one are we working on? Where's the nut for this one?
You have both things over there.
Fred,
Look,
what's
there's,
this up here?
look, there's another nut right there. You
Fred,
don't
what's
need
this
both
over
of them.
here?
So you put the one on the bottom.
I already got one on the bottom.
You got one on the bottom. Good. About damn time.
About time I got the bottom figured out, huh? What's the torque on this?
That much. Okay, now the bottom in. By the way, it's not spinning. Ooh, hang on. Go ahead. Nope, nope, that's not gonna work. No.
He didn't put the nut, the Allen in the hole.
No, I had it in the hole. I didn't have the big end there. It
Oh,
goes
you need
now.
the big end in the hole. You need the small end in the hole. You ready?
Yeah.
You sure? I'm gonna grunt. Ready?
Go for it.
What
Yeah, I
round
love
is-
that paperwork.
The nut's rounded, Fred. I'm thinking this wrench you got is not the right wrench.
Yeah, it is. Oh, dual play.
What's spinning on the bottom nut?
Well, then stop spinning it. It's probably broke.
I already did it twice.
Well, it's tight enough.
Okay, so if it falls off, it's your fault?
Yep.
Why don't you get a better tool than this? What size is this?
I pulled it out of that crappy toolbox we have. Now you got the right bucket.
See, Fred was using not my bucket, but the junky toolbox that is his. That we put my crappy tools in because he wouldn't bring his crappy tools over. Put in the crappy toolbox.
That's crazy. No, my tools aren't going to be crappy. Mine's going to be nice.
I keep hearing that, but
I don't see any point bringing my nice tools to your.
the problem is I can't put my crappy sock in here because they really get in here.
Going from the top up here.
No, there was a piece of plastic crap in the way.
I know. Hit it with a hammer. What are you doing?
I look for a socket. I don't have a socket.
I told you it was metric, didn't I?
Oh, we're screwed. All right, it's tight, Fred.
You sure it's tight?
It's going to have to be because I don't have any more crappy tools to put on there. I can try this one here again if you want, but it's...
Is it broken or what?
No, it ain't split yet.
Hang on before you get spinning.
It's just I can't get in here straight.
You know what? It's tight. I can't move that. It's done. It's done.
It's moving.
We're good. We're good.
Put the wrench on there. Try to
All you're going to do is pinch my damn finger in there.
do it. Well, that's good. I mean, just try it. It's just going to round off the nut again.
Oh, hang on. Don't spin. Spin it a little bit. A little bit more. A little bit more. There, it's in again.
Now it's going to round off. Far. Problem is, I'm a nut at an angle.
Yes, I know that. Oh, that's
Okay.
plenty.
So did you just move all that, or did I get a little more torque on it?
You got a lot more torque on it because now
You
my
got more
damn
torque on there.
Allen wrench is going to be stuck.
I got a hammer. Punch. Which one you want, hammer or the punch? Oh, it's done.
All right.
We go fast now?
I forgot to bring my seat in. I got the fat spring and the fat seat and the tall seat.
So you can't use the small or low seat. He wants the fat tall seat like I run. Because he likes to sit back here on the hemorrhoid pad right here. Instead of being up here in the front where the girls sit, nice and smooth. You got to sit back here on the hemorrhoid part.
Harassing me for my chick
No,
bike?
if he was bigger boy, he would sit way here in the back where it's more smoother. But you got to sit right on that hemorrhoid pad.
Are you harassing me for my chick bike?
Yes. You done?
No,
What are you doing with it?
I'm trying to get this other screw back in, the one that I went.
Screw?
I got your.
You got another screw down there?
Yeah. That's screwed.
Fred got screwed, another screw.
We're done.
Scooby is checking us out over there. See, he's over there hiding. He's watching us to make sure we're doing it right back here. It's very important. See, people say I'm not moving, but see, there's lots of big holes here now there where there used to be junk. Well, that dropped a few feet there. So yeah, see all these empty voids over here? That means I'm moving.
If you believe that lie,
Oh, we're moving.
we got some property up in the mountain.
This is loose, Fred.
Yeah, you're not supposed to be moving it.
Did you put the bolt in? That bolt looks loose right down there. See that big bolt right there?
Yes, thank you. I got two.
Oh, I can see the threads on that brake. Is that a brake line there that's loose too?
Look.
Gee, look at that. That's like a loose brake line. That's a safety violation. I'm going to have to turn you into the DOT about that.
DOT hanging.
Yeah, DOT. Look at these original new tires. These Metzlers.
2008 still
These are
original tires.
2008 tires in 2021. Look at this massive belt. How'd you get a loose belt on this? My bike was tighter than hell on this belt.
I seem to have this luck with 2006 through 2008. My 2006 Duramax.
Yeah.
2007 Duramax.
So I like how the exhaust pipe blows right on top of the tire to keep it warm.
2008 Street Glide.
Yeah, that's it.
2008 Fuel Blast.
It appears you do not have any oil leaks yet, Fred.
It's got 2,000 miles on it. I hope that.
How come they couldn't put the oil line all the way onto the fitting there? That's kind of weird. Oh well. This is kind of bent.
2,000 miles.
This is like a quality Japanese component here. He said the Sportster pipe fits on here because it fits on the inside of the brake linkage.
Who said that?
Arthur with this new buell. He bought 2 of these buells because he liked this one Fred got, so he bought 2 of them.
I didn't tell him to do it. Ain't my fault.
He got $1,200, and then he paid $200 for the other one, so he's got $1,400 in the 2 of them.
And I got 1,000 in the one that's got only less than 2,000 miles.
Well, his has only got like his low mileage too. I think he had like 5 or 6 though on that one. That's why he paid $1,200 for it. But it's a blue one, I guess, a good color, not this ugly black one you got.
Or happy blue one, sorry.
At least it's not a yellow one like mine over there that, oops, got accidentally painted gray, silver. What are you doing over there? You breaking stuff?
It's not starting. No, not starting.
You gonna bend the kickstand down so it doesn't lean so far?
I'd like to get one
Oh, it
thing.
appears that the fluid level might be a little low up
Can you
here.
hold it up there now?
You want me to hold it right here? Or you want me to lean over before we can get to it better?
Lean it over further.
How much further you want?
This is started or not?
You want to go more than that?
No, we're good. It appears that I've started.
Look at the
whatever
clearance they had, the light to gas tank cover. He has a special lightweight fuel tank here, see, it's been cosmetically challenged.
challenged. It'll look good when it comes.
That was a wear bar right there, that's why that was there. So evidently these wear real nice when you got them upside down on a fairing.
So the whole intent of this bike is to have a 350-pound bike. I got it.
What's this weigh?
350 pounds empty.
With you on it?
Without my fat ass on it, then it goes to about 600. Which certainly sucks.
Is that why the shock's a problem?
It goes to 600.
Okay.
That's sad. It's still running?
Yeah, Ryan.
Put your new tool back on there.
Look at that.
What?
Yeah,
What are you doing?
what are you doing there?
Do you want to take it out now, or do you doing this?
Okay, pull your board out, sir.
Ready. Put this board in.
Yeah, we got to bend this kickstand. You gonna take it off and bend it?
We're going to bend this kickstand.
Where's your seat?
So, zip your head.
It was up my ass. I'd find it. You sure about that? You got a big ass. I know how to put buell seats on. Look at that.
I use that one.
Yeah, it didn't work very well.
Such a kinder and gentler person now.
It works so good around here. We don't care.